Welcome to Nanoose Bay Today with your host, Mark Dalton.
Welcome back to Nanoose Bay Today, your weekly look at life in one of Vancouver Island's most beautiful places to live, work, and play. I'm diving into the latest real estate trends, local listings, weather, and events you won't want to miss. And here's what's happening this week. All right, welcome back, everybody. This week in real estate, listings are picking up with 80 active listings, 47 of those detached homes and 12 land lots for sale. We've got 16 pending sales, which is up slightly. With the increase in listings, we're still seeing properties sell. This is always a good sign. In my opinion, it's a great time to buy in Nanoose Bay, where price points are offering tremendous value. But of course, I'm extremely biased because I love living here. I've definitely seen positive market indicators here in the area compared to some of our surrounding communities. So, way to go, Nanoose, keep it up. A little brief look at weather. Today's sunny. Hey, get out and enjoy. What a beautiful day. Again, you guys, golf, hike, walk, swim. Just be out in nature. My heart does go out to the country of Jamaica right now with the extreme weather they're having, the hurricanes and the flooding. Sunrise, 8 o'clock a.m., sunset, 5:59 p.m., moonrise, 3:20 p.m. It looks like Friday is set for a 99% chance of rain, so take advantage of the next couple of days, get out and enjoy, do everything you need to. We're all getting ready for winter here, but there's still so many leaves on the trees, which is great. It's such a beautiful drive, as you can see in some of my background footage. It's been a wonderful fall so far, hasn't it? And hey, it's not snowing, so golf on. Okay, on to some local events. I want to thank the Nanoose Bay Networking Facebook page, first of all, for posting a lot of things in our community. Thank you very much. It's a great source for me and my family as well. Thank you to the moderators for that page. What a great source for our community. Having said that, here's a few events. There's a writers community get-together on Thursdays from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the Nanoose Bay Cafe. If you are a writer or are interested in writing, this is for you. And I personally want to shout out to Brian and his staff for making such great lattes that I enjoy there. Thanks, Brian. Next, the Nanoose Bay Elementary School PAC event on November 3rd. Please support your community and attend this amazing Christmas store where everything is $1. They're accepting gently used toys, home decor, games, gift wrapping, supplies, small household items starting November 3rd. Please bring items in a bag or a box and place them by the bench at the front office admin. Shout out to Laura S. for posting that. Another thing here, I noticed Joy's Heritage Cinnamon Buns are taking orders for their seasonal special treats. Pick up November 1 in Nanoose. You will need to go to the Nanoose Bay Networking Facebook page for that for details, or Google that. They look delicious, by the way. Everybody, that's it for community updates. Thanks for listening. Don't forget, it's Halloween. Kids are going to be out there, so if you're driving, be very mindful, use extreme caution, and have a wonderful Halloween, everybody. Thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you next week.